Hello and welcome back to my studio. Today I'm going to be trying a few new products that I'm reviewing. A couple of items that I purchased recently from the Art Savings Club. And I'm going to have a go at one of my favorite pastimes. Besides painting in oils, I very much enjoy watercolor and working with pastels. So a couple of the items that I got the other day is one of these watercolor books. It's 300 gram watercolor paper made by Fabriano, and it's a very handy item, this, because it's perfect for travel journaling or making small studies and sketches. Whether you're preparing for a painting or it's going to be the main event itself, it doesn't matter. Quality of the paper is good. A nice 300 gram, as I said. A medium sort of tooth to it, so it can hold some pastel as well. So what I like to do is do a preparation with watercolor, get the main big shapes, etc. plotted out, and then go over it in pastels, maybe a large part of it or a small part of it, depends on the nature of the painting. Also a really nice option with this watercolor book is pen and wash. Obviously you also add pastel if you like, so a great multimedia resource to have, and it's small enough to carry around as well. I also particularly like this large spiral binding, which gives it sort of easy to use quality to it, and you can fold it back and it's not going to interfere or keep trying to close on you and annoy the process that way. Easy to work one-handed, you can hold it up and do your sketching. So looking forward to trying this out. The other thing that I'm going to be trying out for the first time is these extra soft pastels made by Koh-i-Noor. I've never used them before. I've been using Unison pastels and Sennelier, and I'm interested to see how these are going to function as a good day-to-day, good quality pastel to use. I'm looking for vibrant color, I'm looking for easy to use, I'm looking for pastels that hold nicely onto the surface as well. The other benefit from these pastels is that they are good value for money as well. If you have a budget but are still looking for excellent quality, this may be the option as well. So let's see how they work out. Okay, let's have a look at this box. 24 brand new pastels, always great to get a new present like this. And a quick look in this pamphlet. Lots of great products to try out. But first, let's unbox these pastels, and there they are, nice and bright, lovely looking pastels. And just have a look at this one, ultramarine blue. Immediately looks like a good pigment content, nice and soft and vibrant color. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out. Plenty of colors to choose from. I won't use all of them, I'm sure, but they should work really great. So check out part 2 of the series for the painting demonstration, where I'm using watercolor and these lovely new pastels.